This is the inside porch, a 615 Axtel, 618, excuse me. Okay, hardwood floors have been redone. First bedroom on the main floor. Relatively new bath. Main floor. Dining room. Cool backyard. Very private. Here is the fourth bedroom. Or if it's 3 people, it could easily be a glassed-in porch. Glassed-in small porch in the back. Here's the kitchen, dishwasher, security systems, newer stove and refrigerator. Here's the other bathroom.